Hi, it's Andy with Nail Gun Depot. Today, we're going to look at the Stinger family of tools for putting down caps. Now, you'll hear it referred to as a cap stapler, and you'll hear it referred to as a cap nailer. Cap stapler, there's two versions. There is the Pneumatic 18 gauge cap stapler, and there's a hammer tacker that uses a 20 gauge light wire staple to put the caps down. There's also a coil nailer that goes through the caps and attaches your caps to the wood or whatever application you have. Things you can use a cap staple on are roofing and underlayment. We got insulation, we got house wrap, which is very popular. Corrugated to wood, you can actually hold your corrugated down to your pallets. You got flooring and carpet installation, and sometimes you'll see it in the fencing and landscaping industry. Benefits of collated cap fasteners and pneumatic cap nailers and staplers. You have enhanced performance. The comparison between the hand-driven caps and the collated cap nails is improved durability, code compliance, and effective sealing. They're faster installations when you use the pneumatic tools. When you compare the hand-drive systems versus the collated systems, the collated is so much better. It's so much faster. You're never hitting your hammer on your fingers. You're not reaching into a bag of caps and poking yourself 45 times. You're not kneeling on the caps that you dropped on the floor. And the homeowners don't get mad at you because they just drove their car over one on the driveway. And that's just some of the things why the pneumatic systems are better than the hand drive. When choosing a fastener, do you want to go with the nail or do you want to go with the staple? Number one, I would check code compliance. Number two, I would check with your builder. Always remember, when you use a nail, you've got 1 point. With the staple, you have 2. They're very similar. The staple's going to have just a hair bit more holding power, I believe. Here we have the Stinger CN100B coil cap nailer. Here we have the CS150B cap stapler, 18 gauge, 1/2 inch crown. Here we have the CH38A, basically the hammer tacker with the collated caps with it. Happy fastening from the folks at Nail Gun Depot. As always, if you have any questions, contact us.